Time check. We are time check. It is 12. Is it 12? Time check. It is 2:13 a.m. in the morning, and we are at Planet Fitness. We just got off work. Apparently these people are not tired at all. Brother is finally motivated to work out, which is awesome. See you guys later.
Eventually.
I guess 9 hours of work must not be enough to knock these people out. Social fitness, social distancing. What a time to be alive. So I'm going to show you guys my work outfit. Yay! I look like a bum when I go to work all the time. Honestly though, I just find whatever I can find in my closet and put it on. But it usually has to be, always, for the most part, long sleeves. His brother trying his best. That's all we can do. Their sister and mama. Sebenarnya parang nagturo bugat kay tiil ah. Tug 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 tug. Thundering in here. Feel na feel niya ang workout niya. Yes. So after running, they are finally moving on to something else. I don't know what it is, but I just want to go home because this girl has homework and I am tired. Let's see what you can do. Woo. Two. You got it. Woo. Ikaw po no. I mean, you're still new to this, so we don't expect great things. Please trying. Nakadungog ko sa kuto. Kuto ang bukog. Ako ka na. Ha? Okay, Pauline's turn. Go, Pauline. Pau, i-chin up, Pau. I-face ni mo yung kamot. The struggle is real. Go. Go. Up, uy, pull. Inana, bitaw na kaya. Basta bago pa ka kay tiktok mo, di mo tiil. Sige ka na, pila may butang. Woo! How much do you even have?
Tura.
Wala bitaw may klaro ang exercise. Oy, walay program ba? Buhat-buhat ra bud sa makitaan. Ansay mahibaw kan try ra. May klaro ba? You got this, brother. Sunrise ka lang. Isang bahaw ka lang. Lamig kang miswa. Lagi. Pero magtaon, huwag more miswa.
Magyatan mo lang si ma'am.
Maginlatan eh.
Natan mo po. Ang bilbil ni ko yan. Iluto. Ayun. Mani, ang bugas na ko mo inuluto. Ang tawagan ng ko. Sugpang. Ikaw gapon or ako?
Flex ko, muscle mo, flex ko. Wow. Wala. Wow. Woo. Sakitan man akong batang ano eh. Hindi ko na. Sakit akong batang.
O, 20 ko. O, 20 ko.
Koso, husgan ako. Kaya na ako tig-20.
Hungry lang. Ilan mo ako? Saan to?
Twister. Kana. Pang abs man na. Bang, guba.
Ikaw na! Kasunod. 20.
Na?
20. Push up, sunod niya.
Paninguha, gid.
Utang ng bilbil.
Kaya wala mo buhat anak para sa imo. Ha? Kung ikaw ra gyud.
Ikaw man na arong adlaw, di na nang balik sunod next year. Na tagam ba? Pautot na rin. Kasing bahaw, nagluto na ba daan? Nagluto na ba bukan ang daan? Yan, regular yun.
Kape. Masalah.
Ito ay pangana. Hindi isa. Say last para say matamis dulu.
Time to
Kayu baru. Kamu saka. Dapat siya kay ate. Ada pa din mga to. Sugad dugon naman. Ano tawag ka na to?
I think it's called double jointed or
Oh,
something.
double jointed. Nindot sa. Balik ka ba bro? Kuya, kurma ganito.
Dali na mo, uy! I'm not even working out. Kapoy ka just tanan. Maugtas na ko ani. See you tomorrow, Planet Fitness.
Dara pa ako, time check ba? Sakto kay 30 minutes. Awa.
Hmm?
Sakto kay.
Oh, wala na.